I recently stayed at the Aloft London XL, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the staff at reception were super welcoming and friendly, which was awesome after a long journey. They got us checked in really quickly, and it felt like they genuinely cared about us having a good stay. Even though we had a deposit to pay, they explained everything clearly, so there were no surprises. It was a really smooth and positive start to our trip.
Room, bathroom, and the amenities.
The room was super nice and clean, with a great layout and a really comfy bed. I slept like a baby. The bathroom was spotless, and I loved that it had a walk-in shower. They even had free toiletries, which is always a nice touch. Plus, having a cooler in the room for drinks was a lifesaver, and I could even connect my phone to the TV for some tunes.
The location and surroundings.
The location was seriously great for getting around, especially with the DLR station just a quick walk away, making it super easy to hop on a tram to central London. Being right next to XL was so convenient for whatever events were going on, and it was nice to have that direct access. Even though it's close to the city airport, the room was surprisingly quiet, which was a huge plus for a good night's sleep. Overall, it felt like a really well-connected spot, perfect for exploring or just chilling out.
Food, drinks, and dining options. When it comes to food, I had a bit of a mixed experience, but mostly good. The breakfast spread was definitely a highlight. They had a pretty good variety, and I especially appreciated that they had gluten-free options. You just need to ask a staff member. While dinner in the restaurant was a bit of a letdown one night, it took ages and came out cold, the breakfast was consistently great. Plus, the restaurant staff were super nice and friendly, which always makes a difference. If you're looking for dinner, there's a restaurant right there, and the bar serves food too, so you've got options without even leaving the hotel.
What's it like to stay here? Staying here, I gotta say, the pool and fitness center were pretty sweet, especially with the late hours. It was awesome to have a place to chill out and get a workout in, and the indoor pool was a real bonus, even if the sauna was out of order sometimes. The free Wi-Fi was super reliable, which is always a win for staying connected. And honestly, it felt like a really modern and comfortable place to just relax and unwind. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. The staff were super welcoming and helpful, making check-in and my overall stay really smooth. Comfy, clean rooms. My room was super nice, clean, and had a really comfortable bed, which is always a win. Great location. It was super easy to get around with the DLR station nearby and direct access to XL. Awesome pool and gym. The pool was really good and had great hours, plus there's a 24/7 gym.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Parking hassle. Finding a parking spot was a nightmare, and the cost felt a bit much. My overall rating for this hotel would be 9.1 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Despite a couple of minor hiccups, the overall experience was overwhelmingly positive, and I genuinely enjoyed my time here. The friendly staff, comfortable rooms, and awesome facilities like the pool definitely make it a place I'd happily return to for another chill stay. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.